Self-limiting belief number 3, I don't have time. Every human being has equal hours in a day, which is 24 hours. Even if you sleep for 8 hours, which is good enough for sleeping, having a nice sleep, and then if you spend 10 hours in work, 1 to 2 hours in your breakfast, lunch and dinner, you are still left with 4 hours. These 4 hours are available to everyone. Now you have to decide what you want to do in these 4 hours, how you want to utilize that. So there is a way how to do it. Start observing yourself on what all activities you are doing in these 4 hours. Are you doing any value-added activities or you are wasting your time? Wasting the time can be spending time on social media, internet, watching television series, watching movies, and many other activities like sitting idle, doing nothing. So these are all wasteful activities which we are doing throughout this 4 to 5 hours. So how you can utilize this 4 to 5 hours? I have one recommendation for you. Start waking up early in the morning. Plan your activities for the day. List down some activities which you need to complete on the day. Prioritize the activities. Select the top 2 activities or goals for the day. So how to prioritize? The first priority should be the most important and very urgent. The second priority can be very important but not urgent. Third priority can be less important but very urgent. And fourth priority, which you can really ignore to do in a day, is not important and not urgent. Select the top 2 out of this and then have a target to achieve these 2 goals and complete these 2 activities. So in the evening, before going to bed, just review your goals, go through the list. Celebrate if you have completed your top 2 goals. And again, appreciate you if you have completed any more bonus activities. And make an improvement plan if you are not able to even achieve these top 2 targets. And see again where you have wasted your time in a day. Then improve on next day. So slowly, day by day, if you improve on yourself, you will realize that how much time you have. So if everyone plan their activities, then they will have enough time in a day. So remove this self-limiting belief that I don't have time, but everybody has a lot of time in a day to make their career, to make their future.